Welcome. Whether you've never touched a computer before, or you just want to build more confidence, this video is made for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start, use, and navigate a PC like a pro.
A computer is an electronic device that helps you do tasks, like writing, browsing the internet, watching videos, and so much more. The main parts are the monitor, which is your screen, the keyboard and mouse, which you use to control it, and the CPU, the brain of the computer. To start your computer, press the power button, usually found on the front of the tower or on a laptop. Wait a few seconds while it loads. This startup process is called booting up. Once the computer starts, you'll see the desktop. Think of it as your digital workspace. You'll notice icons, small pictures that represent programs and files. At the bottom is the taskbar, where you can open apps and see the time. The mouse helps you point and click on things. A single left click selects something. A double left click opens it. Right-click shows you a menu of options. And the scroll wheel lets you move up and down a page. The keyboard is how you type. The letter keys work just like a typewriter. Press Enter to confirm something or go to a new line. Backspace deletes what you just typed. And the spacebar adds a space between words. To open a program, click the Start button at the bottom left. Type the name of the program you want, for example, Notepad. Click on it, and it opens. You can now start typing. Always save your work so you don't lose it. Click File at the top, then Save. Choose where you want to save it, like your desktop or Documents folder, give it a name, and click Save. Easy. To go on the internet, open a web browser, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Click the address bar at the top, type what you want to search for, and press Enter. The results will appear in seconds. When you're done, never just unplug the computer. Click the Start button, then the power icon, and choose Shutdown. Wait for it to fully turn off. This keeps your computer healthy and your files safe.
Great job! Today you learned the parts of a computer, how to turn it on and off, use the mouse and keyboard, open programs, save your work, and browse the internet. Keep practicing every day, and soon, you'll feel totally at home on any PC. You've got this.